What's going on, traders? Doing a late night quick video today. Wanted to talk about today and what happened today, you guys. A lot of people have Thinkorswim woke up and the platform was frozen. I got a lot of people like hitting me up on Twitter and talking about they couldn't get out their position. Some people, you guys, were in SGN. You guys remember that stock I traded yesterday? I got out early. It was spiked up today to like I think it was like about $3. I don't know where it went off my watch list. Let's put it back on the watch list. SGN. Yes, let me show you guys real fast. They had news today. They're definitely gonna start definite agreement with a crypto company, right? So you see where I got out yesterday. I should have held a little bit, but I probably would have got upset because this today, if you had Thinkorswim, you could not get out here. You could not get out here. They probably came back around this time, but then they refroze again. And I thought it was only me, and I was calling them, and I was like really upset. So not that upset, but frustrated. A lot of people were frustrated about what happened today, and I'm like, so if I was up on this, like they better do something for like them people who couldn't get out. Like if like I came honestly today, and one of my alerts went off, so I went to go buy it, and I wasn't logged off overnight. I stay logged in all night because I watch pre-market. Like sometimes in the morning, I just wake up and like look at. I don't like to log back in, but it said buy, but it wasn't letting me get in. I'm like, what's going on? Then it froze, and I didn't know if I was in or not. So I had to call Thinkorswim and see what's going on. Even their phones, they weren't answering. So I went and checked Twitter, and I'm like, everybody's pissed. So trending Thinkorswim down and blah, 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 and all this crazy shit. But anyways, it came back later, you guys. Anyways, let me talk about this. Yeah. So I don't know what they're going to do. I'm pretty sure they're not going to do nothing. But yeah, this time, a lot of people, if you had Charles Schwab Thinkorswim, it was hard for you to get out or you couldn't get out of here. By the time it opened, he probably like hopefully got out around this area. And I want to talk about the trade I took today, you guys. And this is, let me punch it in real fast. There we go. This is what I traded today, you guys. This is a lot of people are familiar with this stock. I didn't trade it, but I got in it for the overnight position. I might hold it for a swing depending on how it acts next week. If we have follow through, this could be a reversal. This is a company that accepts crypto, Bitcoin for houses and real estate. So I've been knowing about this company for a long time. I was waiting for it to get above the 50 and cracked it. So this is what I wanted to talk about, you guys. The reason why I took it, because first of all, when you back up real fast, let me show you guys. We have a nice gap to fill area right here. Like it's like clear skies ahead, especially if we get above $3. The crypto week is next week in the White House, so I'm thinking about we might have hopefully that agreement with some other company this week. There's a rumor that this company might have an agreement with some other company. So hopefully they release that news Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So the main reason why I got on this was my pattern. One of my patterns, hopefully it got out. It broke the 50, came back and tested the 50. And today we had a little volume, not too much volume. But usually when it does this, it went up 15% on the day. Usually when it does this, we will have follow through. I could be wrong. It could be going back down. But this is my test. 50, come back, test, and buy. And at the same time, we have a little flag pattern. The sector's hot right now. And this is one of the ones that haven't run yet. It is a low floater, too. Yeah, I got like 5,000 shares, you know what I'm saying? I want to swing this as long as it stays above the 50 MA. So if it stays above the 50 MA area, the dollar area, I kind of want to swing this because if you see this chart right here, you guys, you see the gap to fill area. Hopefully, if we have news on a low flow of this thing, we could wake up with a gap up. I could be wrong, or we could have like a real reversal. So if we have follow through, we could have chance of a reversal and this thing started going up. Right now, Bitcoin's hot. It just got all-time highs, and like I said, this company, July 1st, released news. It raises 6.5 in equity and cuts its debt in by 5.3 million, which is great for the balance sheet. So we got good balance sheet, not bad balance sheet when I looked at it. The problem is they don't have too much cash, so you guys got to still be careful. They could still do offering once they get their price up. It could happen. So just be careful, you guys. My target, depending on what happens, hopefully will be like, I don't want to set a too high target, but to swing trade this, we do have room, you guys. So if it acts right and it starts trending, I'm going to put a trend line and see where it goes. If it bounces, if it goes down, whatever, it didn't work. But hopefully if it does work, we do have room. So if this thing moves, you guys, I might add a little bit if we get a new higher. But if we do break the 150, I might add a tiny bit to it and then hopefully have continuation. Need a little more volume on this, and hopefully we get to the $3, $4, $5 area, even possible, for a good swing, you guys. Like I said, I could be wrong. Anything could happen. This thing could go right back down to 50 cents. But the way it's been holding the pattern right here, if you could see, like the way it came down. Let me show you guys a gap up right here. They did have a reverse split, so don't look at the price, but it had a reverse split. Look at the pattern. Then when I take you to like a 4-hour, 184-hour chart, you guys see this? It's the same pattern that SGN had yesterday, my same pattern, trend break strategy. And it's actually holding with not that much volume. The problem is we do have a few sellers here, but I'm anticipating next week might be a good week, and hopefully this thing, I like the hourly too. It was nice on it. When I looked at the hourly, like, yeah, this is kind of strong. The volume did come in a little bit on the hourly, but I want more volume than that. But this tells me that this is looking good. It broke the 50, held the 50 support for a while. Like you could see, like look at the 50 MA once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and 5 times, and finally broke the trend and the 50. So, and you could see a couple days ago we gapped up. Not a couple days ago, but a while. What was this? Last month we did 234. I believe we can break that high, and then hopefully break that high, and then if we get above 234, $3 area, we do have room. It is a long shot, you guys, but right now in this market, anything could happen. I'm not shooting for a crazy target, but I feel like a good swing on this if it's really a reversal. So we'll see the next Monday or Tuesday if we really have a reversal on the daily. The daily is like the most important one right now to me because we have a reversal and we have a nice little flag pattern, you guys, and it broke support. Broke resistance, came back, became new support, broke the flag, broke the trend, volume came in, crypto week, like everything's aligning, so I took the trade over the weekend. Any questions, you guys already know what to do. Leave it in the comments, smash that like, and you already know, plan the trade, trade the plan. See you on the next one. Peace out.